Hi, my name is Denise, and today we're going to be making chocolate orange scones. And on behalf of Expert Village, welcome. In this clip, we're going to add all of our dry ingredients together. We are going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and we'll start mixing our ingredients. We're going to add our flour, sugar, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. We're going to mix all of our dry ingredients together so they're thoroughly blended. Once we've done that, we're going to cut in our butter. You can use either a fork, spoon, or I like to use this pastry cutter. You're going to do this until your dough looks like crumbs. Now our dry ingredients and our butter are thoroughly mixed together. We can move on to our next step.